There's Bernadette getting a suntan. I got my bags all out of there. Did some weed whacking right where they're picking, because I guess there's probably some good stuff in there now that I weed whacked it all down. I still have lots of weed whacking to do. I'm taking a break. But yeah, I just thought Bernadette looked awfully pretty laying there getting some sun. So you guys get to see her. Oh. You're pretty, Bernadette. Yeah. Mr. Eagle and Beats. Hello, Merida. But it's a nice day. I've been out here for a while though, so I don't know how much longer I'll be out here. I'm sweating. So, I hope y'all are having a good day. We'll talk to you again.